this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to convert my composite curve into a 3D sketch and then into a spline that I can manipulate and control a little nicer than the composite curve. So the first thing I want to do is come up to the sketch ribbon, choose the down arrow here and tell it I'm creating a 3D sketch. Then I'm going to convert my composite curve. I'll right click to accept that, and I've created my 3D sketch. So from there I want to turn it into a spline. To turn it into a spline, I'm going to go to the drop down menus and I'm going to choose Tools, scroll down to Spline Tools, and then tell it to Fit Spline. I'm going to zoom out a bit so I can window select my sketch. I've selected everything, and then I want to tell it what type of spline to make it. Well, I'm going to uncheck Close. We can see here how it's closed it. I want an open spline. If I zoom in a bit, these yellow lines are showing me how it's going to affect things, what the curvature combs are. I'm really only concerned with here. And to keep a nice transition, I'm going to turn the tolerance to 3 thou. If I make it too large, make it 0.1, I won't get as nice of effect. You can see what's happening here. However, if I make it too small, it might take a very long time to process, and it also makes the file much larger. So I'm going to set my tolerance to 3 thou. I'm going to say OK, and I've now created a spline, and I'll exit my sketch. And that should have a much nicer transition here. The last thing I want to do with the 3D sketch, highlight it, come back to Features, and now I'll make it into a sweep boss. Circular profile. I'll make the wire diameter 80 thou. I'll accept that and say OK. I'm just going to turn the visibility of the composite curve off. And now we have a much nicer transition here and here. So I'm going to put this in the isometric view, and I'm going to save my work.